Anyone that for a second believes that this is a legitimate usage of cardboard and paper probably believes that Doug Stamper's actually in office. He's not, and this is clearly not legitimate. Utilizing our laptop for measurement, you can see that we are considerably larger than the average piece of junk mail. But wait, there's more. Yes, we have a scratch ticket for those of you who are complete idiots and believe that you're actually going to get something for nothing. $25,000 Cash is King game. Why, I'm 100% sure that I'm probably going to win this. But I'll leave this for my wife because she happens to be the lucky scratcher person in the family. Once again, very, very large piece of junk mail. This definitely takes the cake. Good day to you. Oh, hello, furry one. This is almost as ridiculous as having a cherry dresser in one's kitchen, wouldn't you say? Yes, I would say.